How to buy stock on Vanguard. Even as advanced as our society has become, there are still many individuals that do not really understand how to manage and invest their own money. Everyone understands they want and need money and that they have to work to obtain it. However, once it's in their hands, they draw a blank as to what to responsibly do with it for their future. Many take their money and invest it, which usually means money is placed in mutual funds or stocks with an investment firm. Investing for beginners can be quite challenging for some, and getting started is the hardest part. The first step in investing for beginners is to think about your life and know how much additional funds a month or a year can be placed away to invest. After knowing how much you can place aside, the beginner will need to think about at what age they want to retire and how much a month they'll probably need for retirement. Some of this may be a little confusing for a person that's not that great at budgeting, but just having a rough idea when asked about it will be beneficial. Next, investing for beginners will mean a little research. The investor will need to select a financial company they would like to trust with their money. This can be done by reading information on the internet or even asking trusted friends and family members who they use. Most firms will select a financial manager to work with the investor. Have a short phone conversation with this person to make sure you think you can get along with them. This also brings up the point of what size firm you prefer working with. There are large international companies that may not have an office in your town, so considering how important it is to meet this person would need to be considered. Banks have investing divisions, so it may be a better fit for some people to use the bank they have been using. The next step in investing for beginners is to get the information from the trained broker or from their packets of papers about their funds. You can select the funds you have interest in or feel comfortable in due to their risk and relay this information to the broker. A beginning investor would normally invest in mutual funds rather than begin by selecting individual stocks. By having just one stock, the risk is higher than by having several combined in a mutual fund. Finally, just simply stay in touch with the firm, your broker, and your goals. It's important to make changes if necessary as your life changes. In addition, make sure that you are aware of all tax laws if you were to sell your investments. Investing is mainly for long-term, so think twice about getting involved in long-term investing if there is a high percentage you will need the money in short order. Investing for beginners can seem scary at first, but with the right help it will be easier than you think.